My video again. I am told you about that, but it's the main thing about Google WooCommerce, and I will let you know, introduce about Google WooCommerce plugin, and I will tell you that how it's working and how it's beneficial out. So here is the title of my video. Here is the unleashing the power of Google WooCommerce plugin. So if you go to next slide here, in this video, main thing I will explain is that what is the Google WooCommerce plugin, easy setup and configuration, seamless integration with Google services, increase sales and revenue country and often. So here is the introduction about this. Welcome to our presentation of Google WooCommerce plugin. As online shopping continue to grow in popularity, it's becoming increasingly important for business to have a strong online presence. One key aspect of this is having an efficient and effective e-commerce platform. That's where the Google WooCommerce plugin come in this powerful tool, streaming the success of managing your online store, making it easier than ever to sell every your product and services to customers all over the world. So it's a basic for that introduction basic. With the question about that, what is a Google WooCommerce plugin? The Google WooCommerce plugin is a powerful tool for online store owners who want to take their business to the next level. With its advanced feature and seamless integration with Google services, it provides valuable insights and optimization option that can help increase the sales. One of the key benefits of the Google WooCommerce plugin is in its ability to optimize product feeds for Google Shopping. This ensures that your products are displayed prominently and attractive on Google options and many more. So here, if I told you about that, easy setup and configuration, how you can do that, there is an answer I have given that. Easy setup and configuration of plugin can often be a daunting task for online store owners. However, with the Google WooCommerce plugin, this process is made incredibly easy and straightforward. The plugin offers a simple installment process with step-by-step instructions that guide you through the entire setup process. Once installed, the plugin provides an intuitive interface that allows you to easily manage your online stores without the need of for any technical expert. So here is the next element is that seamless integration with Google services. Here is that the Google WooCommerce plugin seamless integration with various Google services such as Google Analytics, and Google Ads and Google Tag Manager. And the integration provides valuable insights and optimization opportunities for your online store performance. For example, Google Analytics can help you track your user behavior and identify areas for your improvement, while Google Ads can help you create targeted campaigns that drive sales. Increase sales and revenue, that's a major everyone needs that. The Google WooCommerce plugin offers several features that can help increase sales and revenue for your online stores. One of the features is produce optimization, which ensures that your products are displayed accurately as Google Shopping and other platforms. So is another feature that can help boost the sales in dynamic and remarkable things, and this allow you to show and many more things. And in the next phase, in conclusion, the Google WooCommerce plugin offer a multitude of benefits of online stores from an easy setup for configuration and seamless design. And this short video about Google WooCommerce plugin. I hope you understand it and you will understand it. I hope if you like my video, please share it, like it, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.